Okay, so I've been playing around with the findings, specifically the earring findings out of the container that the jewelry findings kit. And they have such great ones. It was hard to choose, so I chose this one. And I'm still working on these, as you can see. See that? And this is what I came up with. A beautiful chandelier earring. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. They look expensive too, which I think so. I always say that and people always give me a thumbs down for that, but I don't care because I love it. I think they look expensive and beautiful, you know? It's just colors everything. It's like an iridescent pink. Gorgeous. And they're kind of long, so you know, when you make yours, you can always just I have 2 beads here, and you could just take one of the beads off and just, you know, have them a little bit shorter. And then you can also shorten these as well. Just instead of 3, like I put 3 here, you could just put 2. That way it can be shorter for you if you like a shorter earring. I happen to like a longer earring. So isn't this gorgeous though? Oh, so I chose to make those. And then I'm gonna make a really cute bracelet and then another pair of earrings. So we're gonna get a few different projects out of this. And you got more than enough stuff to come in this kit to make several things. So these are gonna be pretty quick because these already come with the little eye pins on them already. And these, I think, these beads I got at Joann's, I believe. So I'm using my own jump rings out of my own stash. So, and these are my own beads that I got at Joann's. I think these beads were on sale too. So, yeah, that's great. See, perfect. Perfect, perfect. I love the way that they hang on this finding here. You know, you can use your own stuff and mix and match everything. So I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna show you, you know, what the end result is, what it looks like. So you can say, so you can see what it looks like. Okay. These are gonna be kind of quick. These I made the loop for the eye pins, and then these come with the eye pins. So let's see. Well, some of them do. The smaller ones do. Anyway, see that? It already has this eye pin on it already, which is really cute. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but yeah. So I'm gonna put those aside. These are beautiful. Wow. I will probably wear these in a video because they're gonna be for me. And I'll probably end up giving away a pair. Maybe in a giveaway or something. These are so cute. So they, you know, you have your long ones for someone who likes a longer earring, and then you have your little short ones here for someone who likes a shorter version of a chandelier earring. And you can also hang chain from these. You can hang charm. You can hang, you know, whatever it is you want, you think that will look good from these. I just always like to use beads, but you can, you know, hang whichever you like on here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, and I'll show you the end result, and then I'll make the bracelet, okay? Let's do this one. All right, close that jump ring up. And then this is just going to be like that. These are like a navy blue. I don't know if you could tell. They look black, but it's like a dark navy blue. A dark blue, which is really pretty with the silver. So, very pretty. All right. And this is the last one for here. This one has 5 prongs. And close that jump ring up. And done. Look at that. Easy breezy. Pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's gorgeous. Look at that. And then, if you want to, you know, add another bead to it, you can always do that. Which, I don't know, I might do. But then I might just put the ear hook in them. I'm going to see. I like the extra bead, but that's kind of a big bead. It's kind of a big chunky bead. So let's just add an ear hook. And I found these cute little ear hooks because I think they look really good. They have the swirls on them. Ooh, now that's pretty. Wow. And you can add your fish hook or any other sort of ear hook you like. And done. Look at that. Cute. Wait, let's turn it around so you can see the little swirl there. That's cute. Look at that. Gorgeous. Cute. Oh, darling. That's darling. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna finish the other one up and then I'm gonna start on the bracelet and we're gonna be done. So I have this pair, I have this pair, and I'm gonna finish up that pair, okay? And we're gonna have us a nice little set of things going on. And plenty left over to make a bunch of other stuff. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm working on the bracelet now with the charms, the wine charms that I got. And I decided I'm gonna put 7 charms on the bracelet, and I may add some beads as well. But these are just the basic silver bracelets that close them like that. And actually they sell these on bbcraft.com. These are not from there, but they sell these types of bracelets there. So if you need some of these, I would highly suggest you check their bracelets out because they have different styles and different colors of these, which is great. Just a basic open and close bracelet. And you know, when you add your charms or beads or whatever, and you unscrew this, and what you could do is, that's what I do anyway. I put a little bit of glue inside the hole. There's a little hole there. You put the glue inside the hole and then you seal it so the ball here won't come off and your beads or charms, you know, won't just slide off. And you just clamp it together like that. Close it together like that. Done and done. Easy. And you can wear these, you know, layered as well, which is really cute. You can wear them with like what I have on now. And they look really, really cute. So I finished my other earrings. And they came out really cute. So there you go. Those are cute. Look at those. Pretty, huh? You DIY these. Yeah, really cute. With your favorite beads and these gorgeous findings here, you could do so many different things. Gosh, the level of creativity is endless. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on the bracelets. And I'm using 5mm jump rings, but you can probably use 6mm depending on how long you want them to hang. Or whatever you have available. This is just what I have available right now. And I'm going to go ahead and use these. Look at that. Cute. Already. Cute, cute, cute. Already. Huh. Cute, huh? Okay. All right. Let me finish this and we'll be done. Okay. So I finished the wine bracelet with the wine charms from bbcraft.com. And look how cute these are. And I mixed them with some beads from the earrings from these earrings. So the beads that I made with these, I put some on these so that way you have a cute little set going on. Look at that, cute. Wear them to your next, make these and wear them to your next event. Really cute. Look at that, so cute. And they make great layering bracelets as well. You can, you know, make a few of these and just layer them. Okay, put it on and just layer it. And look at how cute. Wow, look at that. Really cute. Wait, where are the charms? There we go. They're running away from me. But look at how cute that is. Look at the layered look. That is adorable. So at your next wine tasting or, you know, outing, party, you want something really cute, make yourself one of these using the wine charms from bbcraft.com. Isn't that cute, right? So cute. Let me see here. Here we go. I'm going to still work on the other pair as well. So those are the earrings. And this is the bracelet. Yay, you got yourself a nice little set here going on. Very cute, all right? So I'm going to finish these up. And I'll probably post these on my Instagram just so you can see them. But they're adorable. Look at that. Fabulous. Right? So cute. There we go. Fabulous. Okay. I'm going to finish these up. Still working on the other one. So I got the findings from here. And that's our wine layering bracelet, all right? Well, I'm so glad you joined me on my first sponsored video from bbcraft.com. Make sure you pop over to the site. You click the links below and you do a little shopping over there and, you know, pick yourself out some great jewelry findings and all kinds of crafty goodness. All right. So make sure you hit like and subscribe for this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share this video if you so choose to, and I will catch you next time. Ciao.